Hi everyone, my name's Greg. I've got the Tefal Cook4me Plus. It is really nice, comes very nicely boxed up, and the actual unit is in a very nice black finish. It's got the screen, which is really easy. When you switch it on, you can choose the country and obviously go through some of the settings. It makes some noises when you go into different things. You can turn the sound lower or turn it off if you so wish, and it's pretty simple to use. There's recipes, and also there's an app called Tefal Cook4me, and download the app because you can then send them straight to the machine. So for example, right, go to the recipes, and then you've got starter, you've got main dishes, and you've got dessert. So I'm going to go to main dish. Right, and then you've got already in here quite a few sets dishes. So for example, I'm going to go for a bolognese chef style. So you press OK, and then you've got an option. How many people are you going to be cooking for? Alright, it's going to be 2. So you press 2, and then it tells you preparation 15 minutes, cook time 40 minutes, press OK. Then it gives you a list of ingredients. So it gives you all the ingredients, and you can scroll through, and then once you understand all the ingredients and everything that you need, press OK. And then do you want to start the recipe? So you press yes, and then the first thing you would have to do is pour olive oil into the bowl. To open the bowl, just twist it, and when you also get your beautiful machine, you'll get this very nice little dish. Right, so, and also I'm going to show you, this is quite a large capacity. Right, so then obviously put it on, put your oil in, and then you're ready to go, and press OK. Open the lids, so I've got to open the lids. Right, it's now preheating, so it really is automated. It is absolutely fantastic. Some of the recipes, wow, I mean, depending on obviously what you like, but there's so many different recipes, and you can type. What I like about the app is, so if you want to cook chicken, for example, just type in chicken, and then it will give you all the different options. Chicken balti, chicken and rice, wow, it's chicken curry, go for a chicken curry. So again, it just explains it so nicely to you, tells you basically step-by-step guide what to do, but this is the way to sort of cook. Also what I like about this, right, you can see it just is doing its own thing. So I'm going to come out of that. Right, do you want to stop browning? So you press OK. So you can stop things if you have to, or if you've made a mistake or something like that. I'm going to press it right back to there. Right, so like I say, you've also got the dessert option, bread and butter pudding, wow, isn't that nice? White chocolate cream, that's a nice one, 2 people, 10 minutes to prepare. And again, it just tells you everything that you need. So even if you can't cook, by the time you finish with this bad boy, you will certainly know how to cook. I think it's lovely. It comes, like I say, boxed up, everything. Also what's good, on the back of it, you've got this little thing here. That is for the condensation. So when you get condensation from cooking, that will fill up, and then just empty it. So that's it really. It is not complicated. You do not have to be a master chef to use it. Would I recommend it? I certainly would recommend it. I just think it's lovely. I like the size. I like the way that you can cook for 2 people upwards, and I just think it's really nice. And also what I do like with this sort of design is when you've actually cooked, washing, so nice and easy. Take it out and just wash it. And also, by the way, this is hot because it was preheating, so it heats up very, very quick. It's very, very automated, and this Tefal Cook4me Plus is great. Thanks for watching my video.